Now, even as the CBI there continues to probe multiple angles into Sushant Singh Rajput's death case, the actor's mental health remains a crucial aspect. From Ria's claims that he was hallucinating over a post, in fact, a frame that they saw during their Europe trip is also now something that is currently being investigated by the CBI as well. In fact, Ria Chakravarti had also mentioned categorically that the actor was being treated for bipolar disorder, which still remains uncovered, which now the CBI is trying to unravel.
The CBI team is probing different angles in Sushant Singh Rajput death case. And one crucial aspect remains the actor's mental health prior to his suspicious death. Was the late actor facing psychologically a tough time before his tragic demise? His cook Neeraj Singh has already told Mumbai police about disturbing incidents months leading to 14th June. In December 2019, the actor had said to Neeraj that his health is not well and that he is undergoing treatment, spending most of his time at home.
14 को मॉर्निंग को 14 जून को वो 6 बजे उठे थे उस दिन, तो फिर वो आए 8 बजे के आसपास, तो मैं उनके गेट से सफाई कर रहा था, तो सर बाहर निकले जैसे गेट से बिल्कुल, तो सर ने मेरे को बोला नीरज मुझे ठंडा पानी ला के दो। मैंने कहा ओके सर। मैं फटाफट भागता हुआ गया, मैं ठंडा पानी लेके आया, ठंडा पानी उनको दिया, देने के बाद सर ने पानी पिया, तो जस्ट मुझे गिलास दिया, तो देने के बाद बोला सब ठीक है ना, मामला नीचे। मैंने कहा हाँ सर सब कुछ ठीक है, ओके, हल्का फेस में स्माइल दिया, तो उसके बाद वो रूम पे चले गए। फिर उसके बाद 10 साढ़े 10 बजे के आसपास जो है ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए जो है खाना बनाने वाले साहब वो पूछने के लिए चले गए कि ब्रेकफास्ट और क्या लोगे आप, तो सर ने बोला मैं थोड़ा नहीं नारियल का जूस लूँगा, नारियल पानी लूँगा और थोड़ा ऑरेंज जो भी जैसा रहेगा वो मुझे जूस दे दो।
Working with late actor since April 2019, the cook Neeraj added, they shifted houses within months. After complaints of bizarre paranormal incidents and unfamiliar sounds at the Capri Heights apartment, Sushant shifted to Waterstones Club for some days of relief, and then to the rented Mount Blanc house. Since lockdown, Ria and Sushant stayed together at the Mount Blanc apartment. But the situation between them had already turned low since their Europe trip. During their Europe trip in October 2019, a painting, Saturn Devouring His Own Son by Spanish artist Francisco Goya, had a strange effect on the late actor. Ria's statement to investigators states, Sushant looked visibly shaken and something seemed to have changed forever. According to her lawyer, Sushant's conduct also aggravated Ria's condition as she was undergoing therapy herself. As per claims by psychotherapist Dr. Susan Walker, the actor had met her a few times and that he was suffering from serious mental health concerns, including paranoia and bipolar disorder.
ये अवश्य सामने आया है कि उनको बाइपोलर डिसऑर्डर था, शायद इस प्रकार का 4 जो उनके साइकेट्रिस्ट इलाज कर रहे थे उनसे उसका वो इलाज ले रहे थे, उसके बारे में निरंतर दवाइयाँ लेते थे, ये हमारे सामने आया है। और क्या सर्कमस्टांसेस थे जिसकी वजह से उन्होंने अपनी जान ली उस समय, वही हमारा सब्जेक्ट ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन है।
Even the sister of the late actor, Shweta Singh Kirti, shared posts on social media site, it appeared, about her brother, who she knew was in pain and that he will be loved forever. The posts, however, later appeared deleted with no denial or confirmation from the family. It is unclear what was bothering the actor and if he was being pushed to the edge by someone known to him. But with such disturbing revelations in last months of his life, the CBI may choose to go into complete details. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.